The tablet's pricing is approximately 290,000, effectively positioning it against competitors such as the Redmi Mi Pad. Given its specifications, it suggests a commendable performance relative to its cost. The unboxing experience reveals a meticulously crafted premium packaging that significantly enhances the overall appeal of the product. A seal adorning the box not only signifies freshness but also assures authenticity. The charging capabilities of the tablet are particularly noteworthy, enabling the device to attain a 40% charge in a mere 30 minutes. This rapid charging feature proves advantageous for users with mobile lifestyles. However, the power button's placement deviates from conventional standards, reminiscent of older iPad models, which may pose potential confusion for users accustomed to standard tablet layouts. Moreover, the device boasts both rear and front-facing 8-megapixel cameras equipped with flash, significantly enhancing its photography capabilities. This feature stands out for users who have a keen interest in photography. Powered by capable hardware, specifically the HG99 processor, the tablet manages animations with remarkable fluidity. This performance level proves adequate for executing common tasks and applications. Additionally, the device allows for SIM card insertion, granting users access to 4G data, thereby making it an optimal choice for travel and outdoor expeditions. Initial impressions suggest a remarkably smooth operation devoid of lag, a common concern associated with other Android tablets during their initial setup phase. In conclusion, the tablet's competitive pricing around 1 million Indian rupees, when coupled with its robust features, positions it as a formidable contender against other brands, such as Redmi.